Let's create Gmail account. Open Google Chrome, click on Gmail. Now click on create an account. Now type your name here. Now here type your birth date, select your month, the day you were born and the year, and select your gender. Click next. Now create an email address. If the email address isn't available, select any one that are available. Now click on next. Now here create a strong password that you can remember and that nobody can use to log in your ID. Make sure to keep it safe. For now, skip these settings. You have created your Gmail account. Now click on the recommended actions. Add your phone number and the recovery email. In case you forget your email address, you can log in from that email address. Don't forget to sign out your ID.